Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Hankotrade to TradingView. It's important to know that direct integration isn't available, but there's a straightforward workaround. We'll focus on using MetaTrader 4 or 5 as the bridge. This method allows you to leverage TradingView's powerful charting tools while executing your trades seamlessly through your Hankotrade account. Let's dive into the steps to set up this efficient workflow. Hankotrade operates through MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are your primary platforms for placing trades. TradingView, on the other hand, excels as a charting and analysis tool, offering superior indicators and drawing tools. The key is to use TradingView for all your market analysis, and then switch to MetaTrader to actually open or close positions. This dual-platform approach gives you the best of both worlds for your trading strategy.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. On another note, for all you busy traders out there, make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, saving you precious time. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
To set up your workflow, first, ensure your Hankotrade account is active and you are logged into MetaTrader 4 or 5. Next, open TradingView, either in your browser or as a desktop app, to access your charts and indicators. The process involves analyzing the market on TradingView, identifying your entry or exit points, and then manually executing those trades within your MetaTrader platform. It's a simple, two-step process for effective trading. To optimize your trading flow, consider setting up alerts on TradingView. These can notify you when specific conditions are met, signaling potential trade opportunities. Before trading with real capital, practice your execution strategy on a demo account. This helps build confidence and muscle memory. Also, always ensure your charts on MetaTrader and TradingView are synchronized to avoid any discrepancies in price or time. This consistency is crucial for precise trading decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.